Need a powerful sawmill without breaking the bank? At $5,400, this portable unit handles logs up to 690 millimeters thick and 3.4 meters long. One person can easily operate it using the simple control panel, available in electric for indoor use or gas for outdoor sites. Fits on a trailer and weighs just 475 kilograms. Its aluminum frame resists rust and corrosion, outlasting steel-framed models by several years. The CHIPPO 8010C mobile chipper handles logs up to 30 inches thick, turning them into high-quality wood chips. Its wide loading table makes feeding logs easy, while special rollers grip big pieces firmly. For tree branches, it uses vertical rollers that squeeze the wood first, ensuring cleaner cuts. A powerful 780 horsepower engine runs this efficient machine. What makes it stand out is its smart design. Different rollers for different wood types mean better results. Plus, it can pre-chop larger pieces before final processing. The chipper's advanced cooling system keeps it running 4 hours longer than similar machines before needing a break, making it perfect for big jobs. Here's a clever hydraulic system that works with excavators and loaders. Think of it as a giant Swiss Army knife. It starts with a cone tip for splitting wood, but can switch to many other tools. You can add drill bits, 300 to 500 millimeters wide, earth drills for digging out stumps, screening baskets, steel brushes, and clamps. All tools fit on the same base, so switching between jobs is quick. The cone tip comes with different thread options for both hard and soft wood. Their smallest model, the S1, weighs just 106 kilograms and costs $2,790. It works with different machines using adapter plates. The hydraulic system's quick-release mechanism lets you switch attachments in under 2 minutes, much faster than the 10 to 15 minutes needed with traditional systems. Scientists in the US tested a 10-story wooden building, 34 meters tall, on an earthquake simulator. The building used special wood materials, CLT and MPP, and had clever safety features like rocking walls that help it stay level during shakes. Steel rods on each floor added extra protection. When tested with a strong 7.7 earthquake, the building had very little damage. Plus, fixing any damage is easier than with regular buildings. This wooden design is 80% lighter than a similar concrete building, making it naturally better at handling earthquakes. The BRUSA and GARBOLI TIA30 is a smart Italian woodworking machine that turns square wooden pieces into perfect rounds. It's widely used in furniture making, especially for chair backs and spiral staircases. The TA30 can make rounded pieces from very thin 0.23 inches up to fairly thick 1.2 inches in diameter. While you feed the wood by hand, you can get an automatic feeder if you want one. The machine's precision is so high that it can create pieces smooth enough to need minimal sanding afterward, which saves a lot of time in furniture production. Here's a smart furniture-making machine with some great features. It has a chain tool storage that lets you swap tools while the machine keeps working. No downtime needed. You can set up your work area in just 30 seconds using its electronic system, and it handles pieces up to 16 inches thick. The BSolid program shows you a 3D preview of what you're making before you start cutting. Built in Italy, this machine lasts 12 to 15 years, even with heavy use. Its dust collection system is so efficient it captures 98% of wood particles, keeping your workshop much cleaner than standard machines that typically catch only 85%. This powerful bandsaw uses a long-toothed metal band to cut logs up to 63 inches wide. Though it weighs 11,000 pounds, it works incredibly fast, processing 1,165 cubic feet of wood per shift, which is 40% faster than similar machines. While it's designed for woodworking, it can handle metal too. The blade runs between specially designed wheels that keep it perfectly aligned for precise cuts, even during long shifts. Unlike standard bandsaws that need blade changes every 4 to 6 hours, this model's special blade coating lets it run for up to 12 hours before needing a change. Every log home by Natural Log House is unique because each tree is different. They build custom homes using 98% natural materials that can break down safely. Their team carefully picks trees growing between 800 to 1,200 meters high and cuts them in winter, timing it with moon phases. They mainly use silver fir and spruce, and can build a 150 square meter house in about 6 months. Just like coffee experts pick the best beans, they choose their wood with great care. Wood cut during winter's full moon has up to 30% less moisture content, making it more stable and resistant to warping when used in construction. The STUZAMA 2 is a powerful German wood-bending machine that shapes both symmetrical and asymmetrical pieces. It works with steam-softened wood, which makes the fibers flexible enough to bend without breaking. The machine can make up to 5,000 curved chairbacks in one shift, taking just 20 to 40 seconds per piece. It handles wood up to 2.3 inches thick and 79 inches long, bending it up to 190 degrees. 2 separate motors power this efficient machine. Besides chairs, it's great for making wooden sleds and other curved items. What's unique is how it treats the wood first with steam, letting it bend smoothly without damaging the natural grain pattern. The STUZAMA 2's smart pressure system adjusts automatically based on wood density, reducing breaks by 75% compared to manual bending machines.